Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of programming basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up your account in CodeGym. So the first step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in CodeGym. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, which is the official logo of CodeGym. Click on it. Now this is the homepage of the CodeGym website, and here on the top navigation bar on the right side you can see Start Learning button. Click on it. Now if you already signed up before, then you can click on I already have an account and log into your account. Now to sign up, click on Start. Now here you have to choose your language as of your preference. Here I am choosing English. Now type in your email and password to sign up to your account. Now after you type in your information, the last step is to click on this create account, and following this simple and easy step, you have successfully signed up to your account in CodeGym. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.